If Audacity is showing an internal PortAudio error, don't worry. This usually means the audio bridge Audacity uses to talk to your microphone or speakers has lost connection. In simple terms, Audacity can't properly see your input or output device, so it throws that error. In this video, I'll show you the fastest proven fixes to get things working again on Windows 11. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Let's jump in. First, it helps to understand what PortAudio actually does. PortAudio is the part of Audacity that communicates with your audio hardware. So if that connection breaks, Audacity may stop detecting your mic, your headphones, or your interface completely. That's why this error is often caused by a device glitch, a driver conflict, or Windows not registering the hardware correctly. The first fix is what I like to call a clean boot for USB audio. If you're using a USB microphone or USB audio interface, unplug the device from your computer. Then close Audacity completely. Wait a moment and plug the device back in. After that, give Windows about 10 seconds to register the driver and detect the device properly. This step is important because Windows sometimes needs a little time to refresh the connection. Once that's done, open Audacity again and check whether your mic or interface appears correctly. If Audacity still isn't working, the next step is to rescan your audio devices without restarting the app. You do not always need to close Audacity for this. At the top menu, go to Transport, then choose Rescan Audio Devices. This forces Audacity and PortAudio to remap the available microphones, speakers, and interfaces on your system. It's a simple step, but it can fix a lot of sudden detection problems, especially after plugging in new hardware or switching devices. Now let's talk about one of the most common causes of this error: driver conflicts. If you have multiple audio drivers installed, they may be fighting for control of the same audio path. For example, ASIO 4All, Realtek Audio, and a USB mic driver can sometimes interfere with each other. When that happens, PortAudio may not know which device it should use, and Audacity can throw an internal error. To reduce those conflicts, open Windows Settings, then go to System, then Sound, and select More Sound Settings. From there, look at the recording and playback devices you actually use. If there are devices you never use, disable the ones you don't need. This helps Audacity focus on the correct audio hardware instead of scanning a bunch of unused or conflicting drivers. In many cases, simply disabling extra inputs can make the error disappear right away. If you're using an external mic or audio interface, also make sure Windows has set the correct default device. Sometimes the wrong microphone or output gets selected automatically, and Audacity ends up trying to use a device that isn't ready or isn't compatible. Check both your input and output settings and confirm that the device you want is enabled and active. Another good habit is to test one device at a time. If you have a USB mic, an interface, Bluetooth headphones, and the built-in laptop mic all connected at once, Audacity can sometimes get confused. Try disconnecting everything except the device you actually want to record from. Then reopen Audacity and test again. The fewer audio devices fighting for attention, the better. If the problem still continues, restart Windows after making your changes. A reboot can help Windows fully reload the drivers and clear out any stuck audio sessions. After restarting, open Audacity first, then reconnect your audio device if needed, and check whether the internal PortAudio error is gone. The key idea here is that this error is usually not a permanent Audacity problem. It's almost always a device detection issue, a driver conflict, or a connection problem between Audacity and your audio hardware. So the best fixes are to reconnect the device cleanly, rescan the audio devices, and remove anything that might be interfering with the driver path. If this video helped you fix the Audacity internal PortAudio error, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment if you want help with a specific audio setup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.